What's up guys, welcome back, and today we have another model aircraft unboxing. Today we have a Herpa Wings model. It's actually one of their bigger models. This is a 1-200 Air France A330. I used to see this plane all the time back a few years ago when I was spotting in Detroit. Air France would always send their A330, and this is a pretty cool plane to have in the collection considering I've seen this exact plane many times at the airport. So we're going to go ahead and get into this and see what it looks like. So this is my first ever Herpa Wings 1-200 scale model. I just recently received their 1-500 747-8 from Lufthansa. That's a really nice model. So we're going to see what their 1-200 series is all about. Alright, so there's the box. Okay, and here we go. So here's the box here. It says Air France, and there's the Herpa logo, scale 1-200. This is a model that's already put together, but it's not die-cast metal. This is actually plastic, I believe. It's what it feels like. This is kind of a lighter box. The registration here is Foxtrot, Golf, Zulu, Charlie, November. So let's go ahead and get into this and see what this is all about. Alright, there it is. So far it's looking really nice. So first and foremost, let's get out the stand here. Comes with a plastic stand, but looks like it should be fairly sturdy. Has a little plaque here that says Air France Airbus A330-200 1-200 scale. Okay, so let's go ahead and get her out here, and it looks like the main gear came off, but that should be no big deal. It should go on fairly easily. Right away I'm noticing how much the weight difference is between this and a Gemini 200 model. This is definitely plastic, but for being plastic it's actually really nice. It's got some really good details on it. Let's go ahead and try to put this main gear back on. Okay, so I'm not entirely able to get this back on. I'm gonna have to glue it on, which kind of is unfortunate because the landing gear does tilt as seen on the other one. But I'm just going to have to glue this into place and go from there. So I will be right back. Okay, so I just glued on the main landing gear again. So we're going to go ahead and put it on the stand and let it dry here. Okay, there we go. So there it is on the stand. It kind of tilts to the left a little bit, which is actually kind of cool. I like that. So we're going to go ahead and look at some of the details. So for this being a plastic model, this is actually really impressive. So up at the front you see it says Air France KLM right under the cockpit windows, and to the right we have the SkyTeam logo. Actually there's a little bit of dust there. Next to that we have the main door, and below it is the front landing gear with Charlie November on it. Right there it says Airbus A330 with the Air France titles. We have some of the antennas, second door. Here we have the engines, and the engines have really nice detail. The main gear down there, which I just had to glue on. Here's some of the wing details, and the wing details are really nice. We have the rotating beacon lights, some of the windows, doors, and then the registration and the Air France tail. This looks really good. I'm really impressed with this Herpa model. They're definitely a lot cheaper than Gemini jets, but I would just say pony up the extra cash to get the Gemini 200 because those are solid metal and this is plastic. I think I got this model for about 65 bucks, and I believe a Gemini 200 version of this would be around 90 to 100. And from afar you really can't tell the difference. It's just when you're holding it that you can actually feel the difference. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. See you guys later.